What if one article could bring in visitors and commissions for years? While there's no guaranteed way to rank #1 on Google, thousands of creators have built profitable affiliate websites by following proven SEO strategies. In this video, I'll show you the blueprint. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Focus on evergreen topics like personal finance, software, health, home improvement, or technology. The best niches solve real problems people search for every day. Step 2. Target low-competition keywords. Instead of chasing broad terms, go after specific long-tail searches with clear buying intent. Ranking for dozens of smaller keywords often beats competing for one massive keyword. Step 3. Create the best content online. Don't just summarize information. Include expert insights, real examples, comparisons, FAQs, screenshots, and actionable tips that genuinely help readers make decisions. Step 4. Build trust. Publish honest reviews, disclose affiliate relationships, and recommend products you've researched or personally tested whenever possible. Trust converts visitors into loyal readers and buyers. Step 5. Optimize for SEO. Write compelling titles, use descriptive headings, improve page speed, optimize images, and make your site mobile-friendly. Google's goal is to deliver the best experience, not just the longest article. Step 6. Earn quality backlinks. Reach out to bloggers, publish guest posts, create original research, or develop free resources that other websites naturally want to reference. Strong backlinks remain one of the biggest ranking signals. Step 7. Diversify your traffic. Don't rely on Google alone. Build an email list, post consistently on YouTube and social media, and create content that keeps your audience coming back. Here's the reality: affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It often takes months of consistent publishing, optimization, and testing before meaningful income appears. But once your content ranks, it can generate traffic and commissions around the clock, creating a scalable online business. If your goal is to build long-term passive income instead of chasing shortcuts, start with one niche, publish consistently, and improve every piece of content you create. The websites that win aren't always the oldest, they're the ones that provide the most value. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Every week, I share practical strategies to help you grow your website, increase your traffic, and build multiple streams of online income.